Did you know that we can open our heart through yoga asanas? And this affects not just the physical structure of the heart organ, but also how we feel. So hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, here are some poses that can either stimulate the chakra to increase energy or release excess energy. Coming on to the first pose, which is Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana. Let's practice Bhujangasana. Start by lying on your belly with your palms next to your chest. Fingers are well spread and elbows pointing up. Forehead or the chin is on the floor to begin with. Inhale, gently roll back your shoulders and lift your chest off the ground with the support of your spine. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 seconds depending on your comfort level. Breathe out as you drop your chest back on the mat to lay flat. Relax in this position while taking a few deep breaths. Repeat this at least 5 times, relaxing for 10 seconds between each round. Bhujangasana helps to strengthen the muscles in the back and improve on the suppleness of the spine, as well as opening the front of the chest, broadening the collarbones. The next pose is Bridge Pose or Setu Bandhasana. Let's practice this pose. Start by lying on your back in the center of your mat with your knees bent, your legs and feet parallel and hip distance apart. Move your feet closer to your buttocks. Press down firmly through both of your feet and inhale to raise your hips and squeeze your hips. Roll your shoulders and interlace your fingers. Take the knuckles towards the feet. Press down firmly through your heels and lift the back of your thighs and the bottom of your hips even higher while keeping the thighs parallel. Hold for 5 to 7 breaths. To finish, exhale, release your hands and lower to the floor. Allow your back to rest in a neutral state as you observe the sensations around the spine. The last asana is Ushtrasana or the Camel Pose. Let's practice this pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Stand on the knees with the arms at the sides. You can separate the knees a little. Lean back, reaching for the right heel with the right hand and the left heel with the left hand. Do not strain. Push the hips and thighs forward, bending the spine backwards as far as you are comfortable. Relax the head only when totally comfortable. Arms and legs are supporting the whole body. Focus on your breath. Stay for 5 to 7 breaths and exhale and release. Come back gently with the support of your hands. Move into a child's pose as a counter pose. This exercise is extremely beneficial in stretching the spine, relieves backache and drooped shoulders. Expansion of the chest creates space in the ribcage in the lungs. It is also very beneficial for stimulating the digestive and reproductive systems. Stretches the front of the neck, regulating the thyroid gland. What do you think of heart openers? Do share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.